All right, so I was at the CES and I came across a booth that said donut. And then I looked closely and I saw a motorcycle right next to it. It was a Verge company. Then it was Donut Labs. And I saw on the table two replicas of a solid state battery. So I went there and I stared at the table for a little bit. And I think they had the founder behind the table and they had some technicians. And I asked them a question. I said, if I were to poke a nail through this solid state battery, will it catch on fire? Because, in a lithium ion battery, they have the electrolytes are liquid. So if I stuck a nail through that solid state battery, will it catch on fire? He said, no, it's a solid state battery. Now, the verdict is still out if it's pure solid state battery, if the electrolytes are pure, just a solid. Now, I'm sure over the next few months, people are going to just, experiment and see if this company is who they say they are. They're producing really solid state batteries. I'm sure someone's going to investigate. So it probably could be a, semi solid state battery. Now, what is a solid state battery? Let's go ahead and get into that because this company, they claim that they created these solid state batteries and now they collab with a company called Verge, and there's a motorcycle that it has solid state batteries inside of it. It can do up to 370 miles on one charge and it could charge up to 80% under 10 minutes. All right, so they claim that these solid state batteries are already working in a vehicle, so they're already putting it to use. So let's understand high level what a lithium ion battery is compared to a solid state battery. So this is a lithium ion battery. We're going to compare this battery to a solid state battery. Now inside this battery, guys, we have two electrodes. We have an anode and we have a cathode. All right, so the anode is negative and the cathode is positive. So inside here on the anode side, we have some neutral atoms. All right, so the neutral atoms in there, the atoms are ions and electrons together. And it's together in a material called graphite with carbon, kind of keep it sitting in this material. And this, I'm speaking as if it was charged. All right, so everything's on this side. And when we put a load on it, or when we put an electronic device when it's connected, we have a load on it, then those neutral atoms on this side they're going to strip. So now the neutral atoms, now you have electrons and you have ions. So let's say you have a wire here, or you have a device. The electrons are going to travel through your device, giving your device power. And the ions are going to travel through the battery. They'll travel through the battery. And within this battery, you have a liquid electrolyte. So once it passes through the liquid electrolyte, it passes through the separator, then the other liquid electrolyte, then it goes to the positive side. So you have the electrons, which give your device power, whatever device you have hooked up to your battery, and you have the ions. They both are going to the positive side and they'll meet together. All right, and once they meet together, it kind of cancels it out. So once it cancels out, it's kind of more, it's going to be more neutral on the cathode side. So it's more neutral. So it's no charge on this side. So the negative electrons can still keep coming over. All right. So the electrons are coming over, and the ions are coming over. They kind of merge together again, cancel each other out. So it's still the negative electrons can keep coming over. Now, if the ions never come over, guys, if they don't come over, then all these electrons will keep coming over and they'll be negative on this side again. So negative is attracted to positive. So it'll just be too much negative on this side and then it won't be a cycle. All right, so I said all that. In the middle, there are liquid electrolytes. Electrolytes. Now with solid state, it's better. So the ions, they move quicker and they move with less heat. So they go from the anode to the cathode when it's discharging, and when you're recharging your battery, it goes from the cathode back to the anode, but the ions, they go faster and it's less heat because there's no liquid. They now are solid electrolytes in here. A solid electrolyte on this side, then you have a separator. And the separator, what the separator inside of a battery, what it does is it just stops electrons from going through. And wants your electrons to go through your devices. So it's just the only thing that can pass through here, the separator, are your ions. All right, so now you have a solid electrolyte. So now that you have a solid electrolyte, it's not creating these sharp light structures that degrade your battery. All right, so it's not creating that anymore. So when you're recharging your battery, when you're going from a positive back to the cathode back to the anode, positive back to the negative, here now what you can use instead of graphite and carbon, they're going to use a lithium plate. And a lithium plate stores more energy density. So knowing like a regular lithium ion battery, it goes about 200 to 300 watt hour max. So, but with solid state, with the same space or even smaller, you can make up to 400 watt hour because now it has a lithium ion plate, and that's higher density levels, higher energy density lithium ion plate. And they can use this now because you have solid electrolytes, because it won't create these dentries, these little needles that degrade your batteries over time. So a solid state battery can be charged, well, Donut, they said that can be charged over 100,000 times. So it's safer, more energy efficient, or higher energy density there, and it's faster. All right, so we'll have to see. So Donut, that's a lot. That's a lot to do. All right. So we'll have to see, make sure it's not a semi solid state battery, but hopefully it's really solid state battery. And I'm excited because if it's the real deal, then it's an absolute game changer. Because now if you have a 300-mile EV, say a 300-mile, say a Tesla, now, you can, with the same weight, you can go up to 600 or 700 miles because you have higher energy density. All right, so it's just higher. So let's say this was 200 watt hour, now it can be maybe 400 or 500 watt hour with the same battery. All right, so it's more energy with less weight. So that's a game changer. That's a game changer also in different devices, because you can charge devices a lot quicker now because of the solid electrolytes. You don't have to worry about overheating. So you can just charge it and recharge it. So guys, it's an absolute game changer. And we're watching this company. I want to see what Donut does here. But that's what I have today for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave all your questions down below and I'll get to them in a timely manner. I'll catch you guys in the next video. But until then, you have a great day out there.